Today we're going to look at 31A in Waterway Village. This is a fantastic first floor corner unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. This is a really neat community. It is gated. The guard gate's right here. We are on the Intercoastal Waterway. There is an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, a tennis court slash pickleball court slash basketball court. There is a pier and a day dock on the Intercoastal Waterway. And this is a fully furnished condo. Oh, it also has an outside storage unit. So lots of storage, storm door. It's got really nice chair rail and picture rail moldings, LVP flooring. There's a nice coat closet, although in Myrtle Beach you don't really need coats that often. It's a really nice open kitchen living room. Plantation shutters, lots of natural light, granite countertops. There's a washer and a dryer back here, so you've got a laundry area. Nice pantry. Cupboard's a little bare right now. And like I said, this comes fully furnished. Everything you see comes with the unit. You've got a great porch out here that's also an all-weather room. And what I mean by all-weather room is, oh, you hear the birds chirping. It's a screened-in porch, but they've added an easy breeze system. So you can, these are plastic. You can open these up and have it as a screened-in porch. Or in the winter when it gets a little chilly, you can close this down and have it as an all-weather room. You've got a great view out here. The community also has a little picnic and grilling area here, and you'll see these throughout the area. Beautiful back lawn, golf course on the other side. So this is a great place to come out in the mornings and have a cup of coffee. Listen to that, nice and quiet, birds. It's a great living area. We're going to double back and take a quick look at the guest room. So we've got one guest bedroom here. Ceiling fan, again, fully furnished. Everything you see will stay if you want it. There's a linen closet here. There's a full bath here, LVP floors, nice vanity, tub shower. There's me, hi. Utility closet here. Hot water heater was installed in the summer of 2020, as was the HVAC system. So they're relatively new. Nice bar. There's me again. Nice bar area. Then we have the master bedroom here. This also looks out onto that green space, so it's nice and pretty. And then a master bath here. And this master bath has a step-in shower, whereas the other one had a tub shower combo. So this is a great unit on the corner, first floor, so you don't have to worry about climbing stairs. It's in a Waterway community with a ton of amenities. To have a private tour, give me a call. My name's Jay with Century 21 Bowling. All my contact information is right down below in the YouTube comment section. Don't miss out on this one. This is a great buy and a great community.